Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. This is the second time I did this video. I did a whole tag and forgot to hit record. So this is 25 days of Christmas countdown craft along with my crafty styles. So go check out Tammy's channel and see what her tag looks like. So we're gonna do another tag. I could just show it, but I'm going to just do another tag because got everything out. So I got some gold ribbon. And today's theme is Christmas ribbon. So I'm going to go down the center. Just do a little hot glue. Swiggly. And I'm going to lay this like that. Just going to press it. Press it. And I'm just going to snip a little bit off the edge. Almost threw that out like it was paper. I don't know what the heck I was thinking there. And I'm going to just fold this over. Make it look like a little gift, kind of. Same thing here. Actually, I'm going to snip some of that stuff off and just kind of fold it over. Then take some more of this and I'm going to snip. I'm just going to glue in here, in here, and here. Looks pretty centered on me. And press it down. So how are you guys? Are you done with Christmas shopping? I am. All I do is have to hit a grocery store. All the grandkids are done, the son-in-law's done, the daughter's done, the son's done, my daughter-in-law's done. Everybody's done. Scott's done. I have no idea what that man's getting me. He won't tell me. I tried. And just gonna go up to that down the center. I think I'm a little off, but not bad. Oh well. And I probably had enough that I could round it, but I wasn't sure, so I didn't take the chance. And we're going to go there. Pull that, line it down. Get these little hang-ons right there. And then I want this. This, that. Just gonna slip right there. Grab that. Grab my crocodile. Oh, yeah, it's coming up. I'll add a little bit more glue right here. Actually double this hole. These are all little pieces out of my bag. I save all my little pieces. And if they're like the end of a roll or something, I save them. Just gonna add a little glue on the back side. And bring it up. Press it down. Ooh, hot. Hot, hot, hot. And same thing here. Just a little baby glue. Bring it up. Turn it. And I made this bow for some reason, which matches that. And I have no idea why I made that bow, but I did. So we're going to glue it on this side because I like this side to be the back side. And I'll put that right there. And we got to get the man of the hour. That's Santa Claus. He's going to go in the Santa. But I'm not done. What do I want to put? There we go. Oh. And let's see. Can I? Oh, let's grab this right here. I just need a smidgen, maybe. I don't even know if I can get. Oh yeah, it's open. I try, but I doubt it. So what I'm going to do is to glue this down the center. Happy holidays. That's what it looks like. I don't need to put anything in it. I was going to try to put some through it, but now that it's on there, I don't think I do. I was going to kind of put this coming through as an ornament, but I don't need it. There we go, guys. There is, whoops, 2 ribbon themed cakes. Day 11. Here we go. And I looked to make sure I was recording this time. There we go. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Make sure you go and check out My Crafty Styles and see what she created today. As always, bye everybody and Merry Christmas.